The team was really impressed with the quality of the attendees. We had some really just meaningful conversations. From our standpoint, that's what it's all about. Creating, partnerships with companies that, go beyond just a business transaction.
It's been great. I've had a lot of conversations with a ton of different great manufacturing firms out there.
The summit was great. We were able to meet with a number of industry experts who were able to provide great feedback on our technology.
We've had a wonderful 2 days. We've learned a lot in these sessions, and we'd recommend it to anybody to come here and network. It's a great experience.
I love the diversity of both speakers and the audience, and how different backgrounds came together to collectively solve problems together.
It's been outstanding, actually. I presented on yesterday, and just this morning as I was walking into this session here, folks just pulled me to the side and said, hey, I like this component of what you shared, or hey, would love to connect with you more. So that's been a huge part that I really enjoyed.
This is our first time coming to this event, and it will certainly not be our last. It has been a great experience.